Welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. The political climate in the Portland Eastern constituency continues to intensify following the announcement of March 25 as the by-election date. On Friday, Jamaica Labour Party, JLP stalwarts and supporters flooded Port Antonio in support of their candidate Anne-Marie Vaz. Well, this evening, the People's National Party, PNP, is in the parish with a mass meeting of their own in support of their candidate, Damian Crawford. Now, our reporter Anthony Lugg has been covering the activities in Portland and now joins us live. Anthony, what is the latest in the constituency?
Thank you. So we're at the same spot, different party. This evening it's the People's National Party here in the Port Antonio Square. PNP supporters were here from as early as 2 o'clock for the meeting that was scheduled to begin at 5 p.m. Now, as campaigning continues to intensify here in Portland, why this seat should be PNP stronghold seat, and that is why is Damian Crawford. He is expected to outline his plans for the constituency this evening. I'm joined by General Secretary for the People's National Party, Julian Robinson. Mr. Robinson, just why is Damian Crawford the candidate for the People's National Party?
Well, I think you have somebody who, in the 4 years that he served in Parliament, implemented a number of programs in East Rural St. Andrew, educational programs. He implemented what he calls the 3-2-1, where in each family someone would matriculate to university level education. He's a bright, talented young person who has a lot of plans for this constituency and somebody who we believe will be an asset in representing the interests of the people of East Portland.
Persons may say the Jamaica Labour Party has a head start as it relates to campaigning. Respond to that, though.
Well, their candidate has been in the constituency longer, but I would say the organization in the party has been strong. I would tell you, people in East Portland have been asking for Damian for probably the last 2 or 3 years. And he's the person who the vast majority of not just comrades, but residents of East Portland wanted. So we believe we have given them the candidate that they want, and we believe he's a candidate in whom all of us can be pleased. Strong intellect, extremely charismatic, but someone who has already demonstrated to the Jamaican people that he can implement programs on their behalf. When he was the junior minister in tourism, he did a number of things in entertainment, in the tourism area, things which would be applicable to a seat like East Portland. And I believe he will bring those things to the table and outline them tonight when he comes to speak.
Respond to talks that the constituency has been neglected for the last 30-odd years.
That's not true. And you will hear Wayne McKenzie just spoke to it. Donald Rudd will speak to it. There are a number of things that have been done over the period of time. Infrastructure, roads, bridges, schools. And you'll hear an outline of those things in very short order.
And talk to me about the plans for the next coming days.
Well, the big thing is to prepare for nomination day, which is going to be on Friday. So we're going to be spending the next couple of days preparing for that. Obviously, the candidate is going to be on the ground every day, and then we're putting in place our election day plans to ensure that we get out every single person on the day.
All right, thank you, Mr. Robinson. You heard it from Julian Robinson, People's National Party General Secretary, telling you just why Damian Crawford is the best candidate for the residents here in East Portland. We will be waiting for speech from Dr. Peter Phillips as well as Damian Crawford himself. We will keep you updated. Until then, it's back to you in studio.
Thank you, Anthony. Our reporter there, Anthony Lugg in Portland.